Today I'm going to show you how to import a PDF into OneNote. This is a great way to keep all your documents organized in one place, whether you're managing work files, study materials, or personal notes. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're in the notebook where you want the PDF to appear. This step is important because OneNote organizes everything by notebooks and sections, so you'll want to be in the right location before importing your file. Once your notebook has loaded, head to the Insert tab located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menu are located. Click on Insert to reveal additional tools. This tab is your hub for adding all kinds of content to your pages, from images and tables to files and recordings. From your Insert tab's menu, look for the File Attachment button and click on it. This option is specifically designed to bring external files into OneNote. A File Explorer window will appear, and from here you'll need to locate the PDF file you wish to import. Browse through your folders until you find it, then click on the file to select it. Once you've selected your PDF, click on Insert. Now here's where OneNote gives you a choice. A small context window will appear, prompting you on how you wish to display the file. You'll see two options, either as a printout or as an attached file. If you choose printout, OneNote will convert the PDF into images that appear directly on your page, making it easy to annotate and write notes alongside it. If you select attach file, the PDF will appear as an icon that you can click to open in a separate viewer. Select the option that suits your needs best. And there you have it. Your PDF is now imported into OneNote and ready to use. Whether you chose to display it as a printout for easy markup or as an attachment for quick access, your document is now part of your organized notebook system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.